Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Item Finder tool with Walmart as your supplier inside ZIK Analytics. The Item Finder is a powerful feature designed to help you match products sold on eBay with their sourcing options from your preferred supplier. It appears as a small icon next to the listing, a box with the supplier's logo on it. When clicked, the tool cross-references the eBay product with available listings from suppliers like Walmart and shows you either the exact match or a similar match. You'll find the Item Finder icon across multiple ZIK Analytics tools, including the Market Insight dashboard, Product Research, Competitor Research, Product Explorer, and the ZIK AI tools. Anywhere ZIK is analyzing a product that's been sold on eBay, the Item Finder will be right there with it. So step 1 is setting up the Item Finder. To get the most accurate results, it's important to configure the tool properly. Go to the quick settings on the left side of the dashboard. Make sure to set your marketplace. Example, ebay.com. Choose the correct shipping location. Example, United States. And select your source supplier. Example, Walmart.com. If you're sourcing from local suppliers like Walmart or Amazon, make sure the shipping location is set to the United States. Next, set your break-even percentage. Now, this depends on your selling fees and business model, but it's usually between 15 and 19%. For this example, I'll use 16%. This setting affects your profit calculations across ZIK. Once everything is in place, click Apply Changes and you're good to go. Step 2, understanding the match types. When using the Item Finder, here's how to read the results. A green check mark means ZIK found an exact match. If there's no check mark, but the supplier's logo appears, that's a similar match, usually a product with comparable or better qualities. A red box means no match was found. We'll cover what to do with unmatched products later in this video. Step 3, product comparison and sourcing. Let's walk through a live example by scanning these eBay dropshipping products using the competitor research tool on ZIK. I will go to this eBay About section and copy his seller ID, and then I will paste it to the competitor research tool on ZIK. Okay, so now after adding this competitor, I will click on one of the products with the Item Finder icon. If ZIK shows a green check mark, the Item Finder identifies the exact match, and you can see its recent eBay sales data. Let's say it sold 2 times in the past 7 days. And is sourced from Walmart with a potential profit of $2.84 after eBay fees. Before adding it to your store, you'll want to compare prices with other suppliers to maximize profit. Switch to the Amazon tab or click one of the supplier icons like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping to see if a better price is available. Also, for each product suggested by the Item Finder, you will be able to see the profit margin and return on investment, ROI, to better understand the product profitability. Step 4, handling similar or unmatched products. Okay, so we covered what to do when you are facing a situation where the Item Finder finds the exact product from Walmart. Now, if you get a similar match, you will need to review the product details. If the quality and price match your standards, it could be a great alternative to list on eBay. If no match is found and the box turns red, don't skip it. This often is a sign the seller is using a hidden source, and that usually means higher margins and lower competition. So here's what to do in case the Item Finder didn't find a good similar item or didn't find it at all. Manually search for the product on Walmart using the title. Once found, copy the Walmart product ID that can be found after the slash in the URL of the product. Once you copy that, paste it into the column in ZIK, and click Reload to update the match. You can also use Google Lens to search by image, especially if the eBay listing uses custom photos. Try typing Walmart in the Google Lens search bar to narrow your manual search. Step 5, how to save a product to a ZIK folder. If you want to save a product you found, it's a quick and easy process. You can create a custom folder inside ZIK Analytics and save products into it. From there, you can either upload the products directly to an automation software like AutoDS or generate a CSV file that you can use to upload the products into any automation tool, or even list them manually. To do this from the item finder, simply click Select a folder. Then click New Folder. In case you don't already have one, you can save the product too. Then you can go ahead and name your folder. After that, click Save to Folder. All your saved folders will be available under the My Products section. From there, you can open any folder, request a CSV file of all or selected products, or upload them directly to your connected automation software. Step 6, how to quickly add products to an automation software. Fast one-click method. One of the most powerful time-saving features in ZIK Analytics is the ability to send products directly to your automation software, as long as it's integrated with ZIK. Here's how it works. Once connected, click Add to the automation software you chose, and the product will be sent directly to your automation software and appear in the Drafts section, ready to be reviewed or published to eBay. This seamless integration allows you to save time, stay organized, and scale your store more efficiently by skipping the manual upload process. And that is it. You now know how to use the item finder to match, compare, and source profitable products from Walmart using ZIK Analytics. This is one of the fastest ways to find winning items, boost your margins, and scale your eBay dropshipping store with confidence. Thanks for watching this tutorial.